Now everyone knows how much the Maverick rate LeBron James. I think he's the best all-round basketballer to have ever played the game. But although I rate LeBron like that, there are things about him that prevent him from being the undisputed king of the game. LeBron is not selfish enough and ruthless enough when it comes to winning championships. Listen to LeBron responding to questions about the possibility of playing NBA games without fans in the stands because of the coronavirus. Listen to it.
We play games without the fans?
Yeah.
No, it's impossible. I ain't playing. I ain't got the fans in the crowd. That's what I play for. I play for my teammates, I play for the fans. That's what it's all about. So if I show up to an arena and ain't no fans in there, I ain't playing. So they can do what they want to do.
Now that attitude right there is why LeBron James won only 3 rings and not 5 and 6. At this stage of his career, with a good Lakers team, this man is supposed to have tunnel vision with all eyes on another title. Even if the game's gonna be played in an empty schoolyard, all he's supposed to be thinking about is winning another ring and another ring and another ring. It's the same thing. He's refusing to do any load management. He says he's want to play every game for the fans and blah, 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 forgetting that he's 35 years old with many miles on the clock, and that it's the same fans who gonna criticize him and cuss him when he don't win no more rings. One to you, brother. One to you, LeBron. One to you, man. One to you.